Hey guys, so for some reason, even though I have pretty good tire pressure, I just got all these lights on my car. So I got the check engine light, the low tire, and then the caution. So the caution obviously tells you that your tire pressure is low, but really it's not. It's not that low. But also what happens is you're also unable to shift between your modes. So look, if I push the sport mode, it goes into sport. You start driving, and it just went right back to comfort mode. So push the sport mode again, and it won't even go. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and inflate the tires. Alright, so we'll just take off the cap here. Pretty simple. And we'll use one of these cheap little pressure testers, and we are at 32, just a little over 32. So let's go check what it needs to be. Alright, so we come over here and we look at these numbers. Let's see here. So for the front, 32. For the rear, 32. Alright, so we're back at it. Here we go. I just got to go a little bit at a time here because I don't have the meter on there. So we got a little bit higher. So let's see, we're at... Come on, let's focus. Here we go. We had it. There we go. So 30's there, 32, 34, 36. So we'll actually go down a little bit. You just push this little button here, and just a little over 36. So right there, right? So 30, 32, 34, 36. And let's go to 34. There it is, 34. So we'll do the same for all the other tires. Alright, so the next step will be to turn on the car. And we can actually go ahead and start the car. So you're going to get your warning message. Click OK. Then you go to your vehicle status. And see that little reset button. You click Perform Reset. And it's telling you to make sure that it's inflated to the correct pressure. So you click Perform Reset. And then you pretty much go for a drive. Alright, so there you go guys, the reset was successful, and it's reading 29, 29, 30, 31, so a slight variation there, but it's pretty close. So let me do a quick U-turn here, and then I will show you that the sport mode and the comfort mode buttons now do work. So here we are, let's go ahead and push the button, sport mode. And now it's going to stay in sport mode. So if you look here, showing up as sport mode, and all the other lights went out. So the engine light, that's going to be something different. I'm going to have to look into that. But everything else looks good. I got my modes back. So there you go. So that's how you get your modes back. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any other questions, just let me know down below.